What you doing?
What?
Playing Candylands? Cool.
I did not do that.
You did not do that. You want to get some clothes on?
Where are we going?
Go to the museum, the history museum.
Okay.
There's some pretty cool stuff.
Look at it.
Like mummies and fossils and
What kind of fossils?
all kinds. The storm has arrived. Woo. Huh? I wish. Not crazy. Hannah? Wouldn't be being on the island without it, would it? You gotta get your knee high?
I haven't had any in a long time.
You haven't.
Wait,
We didn't get it when we come in,
Wait,
didn't we? We come in too late.
You had some of my knee high game.
Huh? You said, hey, what'd you do?
How's that knee high?
It's really
that
good.
Peach knee high.
I like peach the best.
Can Luke try your peach? He'd like to try your peach.
You can try mine. Your peach is good. I like peach the best.
Do you?
Do you like?
Oh, when you're at the beach and it's crazy storms and you're flooded in, you might as well ride through mud puddles or water puddles. Go, Davis, go! Oh, I think he's gonna do it again. There he goes. Hopefully the rain will move out tomorrow. Kind of. We've been under a flood watch all day. Hey! You need to do it again. Oh, it's raining harder on you now. Hi. You got a bath? Yeah, go change your clothes.
Freezing cold bath.
What?
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. He got in, like, laid in it or something.
He did. Hold on. Have fun. That would be terrible. No,
I'm probably gonna let go whenever they start getting the puddle. I bet Luke said again.
Can I go there?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yep.
Back to Daddy's bike and go back.
Yep. It'll hold you. Let's stay.
Hold on, man. Did you pedal?
No. Well, yes.
Yeah, he rode his own bicycle.
Oh, you rode your own? Did you?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, what a just pedal on the back.
Was it fun, Luke? Granddaddy wants to do just seen that somebody's found their corner again this year.
No, what? This?
Last time
Yeah,
he was
and
in that
rinse the
corner.
scallops. Huh?
He was in that corner last time.
I know, but apparently he's taken to this corner this time.
He's told he goes wherever he's told to.
That's what happens when you misbehave. You're sent to the corner.
Hey, you gonna do this?
I'm gonna get
Don't
it on
happen
the
too
bottom.
often. We gotta.
Yeah. Okay. And these cows.
Let's see how many we can fit in here. You want to? We can have a production line going on.